my name is Jeanne Boge. I am a professor of nursing at Western Norway University of Applied Science. This third video about praxeology is about the use of Bourdieu's theories in analysis of documents. Praxeological analysis of documents can be carried out as registrant analysis. A registrant is a collection of short reports based on systematic reading of documents that makes it possible to get an overview of large amounts of text. With the help of the registrant, one can historicize a practice and in that way reconstruct how it has arisen and changed. Registrant analysis have similarities with comparative methods in that one compares current social practices with past social practices. There is no recipe for how to create a registrant, but the principle is to ask the same question to all the documents. The questions should be formulated so that they capture the title of the text, the year, the medium in which the text is published, and the author's and document's position. Finally, one pulls the threads together and makes a coherent sociological explanation of the current practice. Such sociological explanations include the constructions of the habitus of those who position themselves. In this video, Kristine Løvmo and Margit Sofie Wevle's master thesis is used as an example of how to perform praxeological registrant analysis. They wanted to find out as to how it is that some health professionals express negative attitudes when obese patients undergo surgery. In search for an answer, they analyzed the positionings of body weight in Norwegian nursing textbooks from the period 1877 to 2022. The analysis showed that the first textbook that problematized obesity was published in 1941. It was unexpected that the nursing profession started to problematize obesity at this time, because the Norwegian population had just been through the hard 1930s, and in 1941, Norway was at war. In the search for an answer as to how it is that a textbook in nursing started to problematize obesity in 1941, Løvmo and Wevle constructed the social field, and they argue that the problematizing of obesity that arose in a nursing textbook in 1941 indicates that eugenics had gained acceptance in the medical field at this time, when Norway had a Nazi government and eugenics had been implemented in political strategies. Eugenics is the practice of improving the human species by selectively mating people with specific desirable traits. The aim is to get rid of disease, disabilities, and so-called undesirable characteristics from the human population, as, for example, obesity. The editor of the first Norwegian nursing textbook who problematized obesity was a physician. Later, obesity has been problematized in Norwegian nursing textbooks, regardless of whether the author has been a physician or a nurse. This means that the positioning about obesity that arose in a Norwegian nursing textbook in 1941 has been reproduced. Løvmo and Wøvle argue that eugenics is a form of symbolic violence that can explain that some health professionals express negative attitudes when obese patients undergo surgery. This was the third of 4 videos about praxeology. The next video deals with praxeological interviews and observations.